the leaves. And it's kind of just do it with your fingernail. Or you could use a little scissors too. But that sometimes Valerie's worried about using a scissors that you'll damage the buds. So, because there's buds at all these little, there's axillary buds on plants. And there's also the meristem, the growing bud. And so, like I said, our collaborators from around the country will send us shoots overnight, and then I try to sterilize them and put them into culture. And what I do is I just take off some of the extra leaves. You can see there's kind of like just a little bud at the top, and then I'll just cut it smaller. And I'll put that into a bleach. We use a 10% bleach to sterilize our shoot tips. And I'll do it for 10 minutes. Some stuff that looks really tender, we might only do 5% bleach because they'll turn brown too fast. But this is a tree, and this is pretty, it gets, the stuff from outside is really dirty. There's a lot of bacteria and fungal spores. So that's why I'm trying to sterilize it, to try to get it into culture. So like I said, I'll put it into a beaker with a little stir bar. Like this. Let's pretend this is the bleach one. And we'll just put it in there, and we'll put it on a stir plate over here.
I ended up recording you because everything you were saying was perfect.
We'll just show it to the instructors.
Okay. And we'll just set a timer for 10 minutes. And we'll let it stir. So it's just kind of, we're trying to get the bleach in, but not to kill the plant. We're just trying to get rid of the bacteria and fungal that are on the outside. And kind of just, okay, so 10 minutes are up. Pretend. Okay. And then we'll come over to the hood.
You want me to get out of the way?
Oh,
You guys
hi!
can
You're
bear
on our
with-
video.
I am?
Hello.
Hello.
Just for training.
You guys are cinematographers.
Right.
Everything's sterile. This is a laminar flow hood. The air is sucked in here, and it comes through this filter. This is a HEPA filter. It's sterile air comes through here, so this whole area is a sterile work area. We wipe down our counter with alcohol, make it nice and sterile. And then we put our tools, we autoclave our tools in an autoclave that we have. And, sorry, I have to get a little blade here. And this, we put our tools in a 70% alcohol. This is scalpel blades. We have. And so now everything I do in the hood, I make sure I do it at this part of the hood. I don't want to work out here because this is the least sterile part of our hood. Our hood is very sterile, is more sterile towards the back. Our Petri plates, we autoclave them too, to sterilize them. We use glass Petri plates so we can reuse them over and over. And we have alcohol burners. And now I'll shake off some of the excess alcohol, and I'll just set this on fire to burn off the remaining alcohol.
We will not be giving our kids flames.
Nope. You'd probably not. No. I have the Zoo Academy kids. We each have them do some little tissue culture.
Oh, good.
We found
Yeah.
some plants that they can work on. So they do little projects with tissue culture. So I'm just letting my tools cool because they're very hot after burning the alcohol initially. So then what we would do is we would take the timer, our bleach, and we'll pour off the bleach in our plant. get more plates, sorry. And then I will move it to, this is sterile water, because then we have to rinse it, the bleach off with some sterile water. Sterile water, and then we'll let it rinse in sterile water for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So now, after it's rinsed a few times, then we'll move it. And now I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. So I will take like the top part of the plant and put that into a test tube. And then also these have some little buds on the side, so I'm going to try those too. I'm just going to cut the end off. And then we'll transfer it into a test tube with the media that we talked about. Sometimes we lay the shoots on the side, sometimes we set them up. This plant works better with the shoot being up. Let's put the lid on, and we'll put it downstairs in our incubator room. And we'll hope that we don't get contamination. We'll hope that some of it will grow. But unfortunately, 50% does get contamination because this is stuff coming out from outside, and it's difficult to clean it. So if we get, half of them growing, we're happy. Even if we get a few of them growing, we're very happy. So I would put the other piece in the tube too.
Excellent.
So that's what we do.
Thank you, Kris.
Yes.